Very easy and seasonal, this recipe will make you look great. Start by removing the seeds, scooping them out with a spoon, and then slice your pumpkin in 8 slices. Pull the rosemary needles off the stem and finely chop them with a knife. Grease a drip tray with a few drops of oil and then arrange the pumpkin slices on top. Then, drizzle the surface of your pumpkin slices with the remaining oil and flip them over to spread the oil evenly. What spices would you season them with? Let me know in the comments. I am flavoring the pumpkin with a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Then I am seasoning it with the chopped rosemary and some paprika and finishing with pumpkin seeds and sliced almonds. At this point, it is time to bake in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius in static mode for around 40 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, I will make some flavored oil. Start by pouring the oil in the bowl and adding in some chopped parsley and sage, and give that a good mix. When the pumpkin is cooked, brush the pumpkin slices with the oil mixture, and it is ready to taste. Enjoy! You see, it is very easy